Hello YouTubers, I'm Mr. D1776 and today we are going to be installing my barrel for my 6.5 Grendel build on my upper. So first thing to do is align the pin with the notch. Slide that in. Alright, take the barrel nut. Screw that down. Take the handguard. Line it up. Still need to go a little bit further. It is cold here. It has been in the teens in Georgia for over a week now, and we're not used to this cold. Getting there. Yep. I'm going to pause the video for a second because my hands are freezing. I gotta try to find some kind of glove. Alright, I'm back. I had to go and get my thick work gloves. Come on. What's going on? Oh, that's it. All right. Yay! Oh, while I leave that there, like so, I'm going to gas block with the roll pin, and oh, well, my hands warmed up a little bit. My roll pin starter punch set. Now you remember on my last video where I done this, the issue I had with getting the roll pin started on it. Well, this time I've got a roll pin starter punch set, and I think that's going to make the world of difference, because it made the world of difference on my upper when I put that forward assist in. Oh, it's so cold. I know a lot of you up north people are thinking, God, that ain't cold. You should come up here where it's below zero. Well, I'm not used to that. Down here in Georgia, we have very mild winters. But this winter, it seems to be pretty chilly. Wrong one. And that one's the one. Alright. Oh, I really need to get one of those blocks for this. Hands are freezing. This is the part everybody hates. Let's see something. That's better. That may have been the problem right there. Yay. Well, one thing about my channel is you get to see all the mistakes I make. I don't cover them up. I used to have a roll pin punch that would fit down in there, but it broke. Alright, YouTubers, sorry about that, but my video camera died. The battery went dead. I thought I'd had it charged up enough, but I guess the cold out here just completely drained it. And I didn't realize I'd had it was dead until after I'd already got the gas block and the fore end. But that's what it is. That's what it looks like. And I went ahead and waited until I charged it up so I could show the install of the muzzle brake, which I said this is an awesome brake. My nephew's rifle, it just is so flat shooting, and when I get through with mine, we're going to take it up to the only place I know of that has 100-yard range. It's free, and we're going to do some comparative shooting of the rifle to see what kind of accuracy we can get. Take your jam nut, screw that all the way down. Alright, take your muzzle brake. Screw that down. Alright, gotta back it up a little bit. When you want it, you want to make sure that this flat surface is flat with this. Just jam that back. Make sure that's flat. it's flat. Tool here, see which one it fits. Alright, I got some pressure on it. I want to make sure that it's flat, and it's not. Oh, where did I put it? Here. See already I'm gonna have to turn this because I, like an idiot, put too much pressure. What I'm gonna have to do so I don't repeat my mistakes. That's it right there. Hold that. Oh, I'm having difficulties with this. This jam nut process is whew. Hold, come over here. Let me make sure it's straight again. And that's it. All right, thank you. And that's what the muzzle brake looks like on it. That is an awesome brake right there. It makes it look wicked. Alright. I'm putting these on. Little 3-slot that came with the, and I've already put Loctite on. That's another thing. Every nut or bolt, except for on the brake, I put Loctite on to lock them into place, because I never plan on taking these off at this position because of my bipods that I got. And these are little 3-slot. I was doing it right.
Smells like somebody's burning plastic.
And there's what the bipod looks like on it. That's just going to be one wicked rifle right here. Let me tell you. And those are secured.
I was trying to see if it looked off the brake. No, it's good. It's because you had it at an angle.
Alrighty. Before I do that, let me put my bolt. Yep. Oh, I'm gonna have to move it back some. In order to get my front side on. Learn something else. I'm going to take those off because I might have to move my rail sections back. I want to go ahead and get this put on all the way up front. Which one was it? It was this one. Yep. Tighten that down. Loosen that. Put that all the way up front. Go ahead and tighten this down. And there's the 45 offset front, and when I put it on I turn it and there it is. Now let's see. Oh, all right, I don't have to move them. That third slot done the trick. There's that. Now I'll show you what I was talking about. See, it won't, because that's in the way. It won't sit down on there. And that's what I was talking about, how it came over onto that. I've been looking at a different one, a shorter one, and only an 8 slot, which is all my scope needs is 8 slots. It actually needs 7, but they don't make a 7. It's either a 5 or an 8 that I've found. But I figured that 8 slot, the 2 mounts would be right here, and I could put my scope on it. But this is what the scope's going to look like on it with the I'm not going to tighten it all the way down. But that's what it's going to look like. Just imagine it up a little higher. Oh, it don't touch. I might keep it like that then. I don't know.
That looks like a crazy good.
But this is my DMR / sniper rifle / let's have some fun rifle. That's the upper. It is complete, all except for getting the scope mount riser, because I think that's just a little too close. I'd have to put my cheek in a little too tight on the buffer tube. Although this ain't complete, I don't have the polished trigger kit in there. fire control group rather. Hardly any wiggle at all. That's the rifle right there. I'm going to get the camera. Set this up. I'm going to pause it to get the camera so I can get some close-up. Alright, this is the rifle in all its glory. This is going to be one tack driving thing, I believe. Maybe not in my hands, but in somebody that's trained properly on how to operate a weapon with their breathing and everything. This is going to be one awesome rifle right here. Now all I have to do is complete this lower for it, and we'll have one heck of a rifle here. One heck of a rifle indeed. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait to take it up there to that 100-yard range and see if I can keep 3 rounds in the size of a dime. If I can keep it under a quarter, I'll be happy. There you go, people. As always, have fun, be safe, long live the Republic. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell to get notifications of my latest videos, which there's not a lot of. But there you go, people. I hope you enjoy my video. Please leave a comment in the bottom. Have a great day. Long live the Republic.